In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an NFT on the Binance NFT Marketplace. Selling your NFT here is pretty straightforward and offers various options to suit your selling preferences. Whether you're a seasoned NFT creator or new to the marketplace, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful listing. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Binance NFT Marketplace and log in using your Binance credentials. If you haven't registered yet, you'll need to create an account, but assuming you're already part of the Binance ecosystem, these credentials will get you started in no time. Once you're logged in, navigate to your NFT collection. You can do this by going to your profile and selecting My NFTs. This section houses all the NFTs that you own and are ready to manage. Browse through your NFTs and pick the one you'd like to sell. Simply click on it to gear up for the next steps. The next step involves selecting your preferred selling method. Binance NFT Marketplace accommodates different seller strategies by offering 3 primary methods to sell your NFT. If you have a fixed price in mind, you can set a specific price for your NFT. This method is ideal if you know exactly what you want for your digital asset. If, however, you're open to buyer interest and competition, the auction method might be more suitable, allowing buyers to place bids over a determined period. Lastly, you might prefer to let buyers make offers on your NFT. This accept offers method gives you the flexibility to evaluate offers and decide whether to accept or decline them. One convenient aspect is that you can list up to 50 NFTs simultaneously, providing robust options to manage your online inventory efficiently. Once you've decided on the selling strategy, it's time to set the listing details. Start with the price. Input the amount in either BNB or the native token of the NFT's blockchain. Next, decide on how long you want your listing to be active. You have the flexibility to choose a duration ranging from as short as 12 hours to as long as 30 days. Another crucial detail is setting the royalty fee. This percentage, ranging from 1 to 10%, allows you to earn a commission from any future resales of your NFT, an excellent way to ensure ongoing profit from your creative work. After you've meticulously set all the details, review everything carefully. Ensuring accuracy is key before confirming and listing your NFT. Once confirmed, your NFT will undergo a brief review process, typically lasting around 10 minutes. This review ensures that all marketplace standards and protocols are met. Once this step is complete, your NFT will be live, ready for browsing by potential buyers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your NFT listed and visible to prospective buyers, setting the stage for potential sales in the dynamic and exciting world of digital assets.